Here's a parcel of mostly Boulder Opal. Might be 1 or 2 pieces of lightning rich material in it, like that piece there. Rules in millimetres. The material's wetted and white, you can see on some of the pieces like that. There's the reflection of the light. I'll just go in a bit closer. These are mostly smaller pieces and some offcuts. Just, little stone in the middle there. Use that piece of lightning rich material. Matrix. Little kernel, probably from Koroit or Yawa. Nice vivid colour here. Grind that off and you might get a little nice little stone there. Anyway, more pieces there to have a look at. I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.